In this video, I'll show you how to find your wallet address on Trust Wallet. Start by opening the Trust Wallet app and unlock your wallet if prompted. Next, from the wallet dashboard, select the cryptocurrency you want to receive. Make sure you choose the correct asset because each blockchain may have a different wallet address. After that, tap the Receive button. Now your wallet address will appear on the screen along with a QR code. Next, tap Copy to copy your wallet address to your clipboard, or share the QR code if someone is sending you cryptocurrency. After that, carefully verify that you're using the correct blockchain network before sharing your wallet address. Sending crypto on the wrong network could result in lost funds. Now, if you need the address for a different cryptocurrency, return to the wallet dashboard, select that asset, and repeat the same process. Next, double-check the wallet address before sending it to someone or using it to withdraw crypto from an exchange. Finally, share your wallet address only when you want to receive cryptocurrency, and remember that your wallet address is safe to share, but your secret recovery phrase should never be shared with anyone. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to find your wallet address on Trust Wallet. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.